afternoon from AlphaCars. My name is Tom, coming to you from our Northampton location. And today we're going to take a quick look at this 2015 Mercedes ML350. Perfect car for this area, especially going into the winter season. Finished in this beautiful white paint. Really stands out, especially being clean like this one is. It's showing just under 55,000 miles. Car's in great shape. Let's take a look at these wheels. See, haven't been curbed. Tires look good as well. See, the front fascia isn't all chipped up. You can see this is fitted with the radar guided cruise control, and this is the sensor here. They did a good job of integrating that into the traditional Mercedes styling language there. It looks great. So we'll move on to the interior, give you a look. Finished in this nice gray leather. You can see these seats showing very, very little wear, especially for this mileage. Even the headliner is very clean. There's no staining or splotching on the headliner. It looks real nice. You have that nice big sunroof. Just slide it back. Let some natural light into the cabin. Feels really good. You can see the wood trim running along the doors and through the rest of the interior. Hasn't shown any sun fade. Still got that nice deep color to it. If you open this panel, you can see you have your cup holders, ashtray, unused I'll add. And even this wood and this sliding operation hasn't seen any problems. See, all the buttons look really nice as well. No wear. You can see some of the options fitted here. You do have heated and cooled seats, which is a great feature. Those ventilated seats are awesome in the summertime. So I have the key just here. Start her up for you. See, just under 55,000. Fires right up. Turn on the infotainment system. Cover that in a moment. Let's show you the motor, let you hear it running. This is a 3.5 liter V6. Pretty stout engine. Pop it open here. Idling quite happily. Engine bay is very clean. See, no issues to report in here. Let you hear it. Very nice, reliable motor. Plenty of power to push this quite heavy vehicle along. Now that it's booted up, I'll show you the infotainment system quickly. So you do have radio, controlled on this control stack just here. Shows your different audio inputs, your satellite radio. You can plug in your USB, you can connect via Bluetooth, aux port, all the usual stuff. Pop over to the navigation. See, you do have a full navigation system as well. You can throw on those cooled seats on a day like this. It's a little toasty outside. All the climate control buttons don't have any wear. You can see all the text is crisp, which we know can be a problem on these cars. They tend to fade over time, but this one has not fallen victim to that. Hop in the back seats. Same story here. Seats look really nice. These headrests are in the stowed position. They do raise right up, just like so. If you have passengers back here, hop inside. See, I can have plenty of room sitting behind where I would drive at 6'4", so there's plenty of room here. Plenty of headroom as well. Headliner looks clean. Drop down this armrest. You do have a couple cup holders for your passengers in the rear. A nice view of that interior. So let's hop to the rear. I'll show you a nice little feature. A little bit of added convenience. If you want to pop the tailgate, you can utilize this switch on the driver's door. Pull that switch up. Fully electronic operation. Move around back. See, plenty of space. Those rear seats do fold right down. Extend your load floor a little bit. Carpeting in the back is very clean. And we do have all the original floor mats as well in good shape. So you can reach up and just push this button to close the tailgate. But I'll show you another feature of this switch. You can actually do the reverse. So just push that switch down. Either way works, but I figured it's kind of a nice feature, being able to do it all from the driver's seat if somebody's walking around back and grabbing something. But overall, very nice vehicle. We'll hope you come take a look at this ML. If you have any further questions, feel free to reference the listing for this vehicle at alphacars.com. And if you have any other questions to be addressed, please reach out to Mike or Rodolfo in sales here at the New Hampshire location. They would be happy to help you. Hope to see you soon. Thank you for your time. Have a good one.